This is the Zonda 41 inch. Currently I'm running on this 4S setup, and this specs is the 3682 SSS motor, and I'm using this 200 amps this ESC, and the rest just leave it to the board for the setting up.
You're running on what? 6S?
No, this is running on 4S. 4S each. Yeah. So I'm running on a 48 1.8 prop. So currently this speed around 80 plus for 4S. So if it goes on this 6S, later I'll do another test run for the 6S.
Very hard.